Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Never fear, never hesitation, just keep moving. 1. Fear knock on the door. I said, sorry, we're close. Reason, stay confident instead of letting fear control your decisions. 2. Keep pushing forward even if your progress is walking speed. Reason, slow progress is still progress. 3. Miss the target. Reload, refocus, and try again. Reason, mistakes are opportunities to improve. 4. Hesitation has stopped working. Let's go. Reason, sometimes you just need to stop overthinking and start. 5. No panic, no drama, just another attempt. Reason, staying calm helps you handle challenges better. 6. One bad day doesn't cancel the whole journey. Reason, a setback doesn't define your future. 7. Wrong turn, no problem. Adjust the map. Reason, you can change direction without giving up. 8. I may be nervous, but my motivation has Wi-Fi. Reason, being nervous doesn't mean you cannot move forward. 9. Keep going until your maybe becomes I did it. Reason, consistent effort can turn uncertainty into achievement. 10. Fear said stop. Motivation says nice suggestion. Reason, you don't have to obey every negative thought. 11. One step today is better than 0 steps forever. Reason, tiny actions build momentum. 12. Don't wait for perfect confidence. Start and learn along the way. Reason, confidence often grows through experience. 13. Aim, try, learn, repeat. Reason, improvement comes from practice. 14. Never hesitation unless I'm checking what snack to eat. Reason, keep serious decisions moving but enjoy the funny moments too. 15. If you fall behind, don't quit, reset and continue. Reason, you can recover from a setback. 16. Your journey doesn't need to look like everybody else. Reason, everyone develops at a different pace. 17. My plan isn't perfect, but at least it's no longer buffering. Reason, taking actions is better than endlessly waiting. 18. Push forward and even when the road gets bumpy. Reason, challenges are part of growth. 19. Less overthinking, more learning. Reason, action gives a useful experience. 20. Never fear, never hesitation, just keep moving. Reason, progress happens when you don't let doubt stop you. 21. Just lost the round. Good game next round. Reason, losing one attempt doesn't mean that you're lost everything. 22. Don't fear the challenge. Treat it like a training level. Reason, difficult situation can make you stronger. 23. Confidence isn't I cannot fail. It's I learn, I do. Reason, a healthy mindset makes setback easier to handle. 24. Keep moving forward even if today is baby step day. Reason, tiny progress still counts. 25. Never hesitation. Make the move. Learn the lesson. Reason, every attempt teaches you something. 26. Fear brought a chair. I bought a determination. Reason, stay focused on your goals instead of your worries. 27. You don't have to be fearless. You just have to keep growing. Reason, courage means moving forward even when you're nervous.